I'm back. Back for redemption. I'm back to change the front tire and see if I can beat my half day that it took me to do the rear tire. That was such a battle. And that was brand new rubber too. Round 2. Going for redemption on the second tire. So in the meantime, I don't have a front stand or a center stand. And so check this out. I lifted up the bike with my rear stand, put the milk carton under it, blocked it up with some wood. And that was just enough height to get the tire off the ground. And it's kind of balanced here, but we'll be careful. So here's the tail of the tape. This is the OEM TKC 80 Continental. If you just even touch these tires, it's a real stiff, kind of hard rubber. And you can see the center track is really made to be more of a center bead for rolling on the highway. Definitely more of a dual sport. This Midas, this is the Enduro Trail Rally X Pro. Immediately gummier rubber, so it probably won't last as long. But I rode this on Dave's 701 when we were down in Montana last year, and it had a world of grip more than this. Let's put these together. So definitely a wider profile on these outside lugs, and just more. It's just a busier tire. There's just more going on here. So hopefully this does the trick. So I've got it on already. It was a bit of a struggle. I had a little trouble with the valve, getting the valve through the rim, and so took it off, put the tube through first, put it back on. But the front is so much easier than the rear. So I won't say that, like, maybe I'm learning and my skills are getting better, but the front tire is way easier. I've used tons of soap and water this time just to keep it wet, slick. And now we're just gonna pump her up. Make sure it holds some air. And it's raining. That's about it for today. So before I take off though, a couple new things on the bike. Took off the pinion pegs and put on these nice CNC hooks for my luggage, and they kind of act like heel guards too. And then up here, got rid of that stupid key lock gas filler cap, whatever you want to call it. It was already, like, even just riding around the street, but definitely in the woods and getting dirty, it was really hard to keep that clean. Felt like the key was going to break. Matching heel guard. And case protector. And so this is, again, Nice CNC. And so, thanks to my buddy Dave, he actually had bought those for his 700 and then went ahead and ordered the Vanache ones. And they're about the same. So he gave me these ones. Free his key. Thanks, Dave. See y'all soon. Hopefully it doesn't rain all weekend. Oh yeah, I gotta move this up. One way to start your day. Truth is, I haven't had a ticket in a very long time. I was probably, I don't know, going 130 or 135 or so, depends when he got me. But that's $300 I won't get back. And I was actually looking at ways
And it was telling me that there's a police car, so I should probably just be paying attention. I'm due. I really have not had a ticket in a very long time. I'm trying to think, because it wasn't my last two vehicles, it was probably my FRS. I'm gonna call it almost 5 years since I've had a ticket, but that's life. And I was super early for work today too. I didn't even need to be speeding. Oh well. Can't win them all. That's for the 5 years of 200 plus freeway destroying I've been doing. Officer was super nice, not very talkative, but you know, he didn't care when I said I'm on my way to work. Oh well, that's how it goes. Back down the road. Like I said, I got lots of time, so I know he's behind me somewhere, so I should probably slow down just a little bit. Ticket day. Well, I guess the good news is we know my plate delete is okay because the officer can see my license plate. That's funny. Oh well. Literally just trying to bed in this new tire. Guess I don't have to do that at 130. I wasn't going 180.